Hello, this is Nathalie Ristord, your intuitive and therapeutic hypnotist. Welcome to this new LightScape series, relaxation, visualization, activation. Today focusing on the light energy, clearing energy, every color, including the gold color, coming through you, within you, to clear any kind of old blocks or energy blocks. Whether you know their origin or not is not important, as they may be stuck in different organs in your body. They may be stuck in your thoughts and your emotions. It could be external energies around you, society, family, locations, or a mixture of everything. During this experience, we will really allow your body to feel that a deep clearing and rejuvenation is taking place. You will feel lighter, as if a weight had been lifted off your shoulders, but also feeling lighter in your body, in your movements, in your thoughts, in your visions of what life is and what you can accomplish in this life. So when you're ready, find the perfect position for you, whether it's sitting on a chair or on a bed, lying down on a bed. Either way, actually more if you're seated, make sure your feet are touching the ground and that your neck is and back are rested, really well supported. Perfect. Your eyes are closed. Take a deep breath in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth. Inhale through the nose and breathe out at your own pace. One more time. Allowing your mind to float and only focus its attention on the sound of my voice, on your breathing pace, and just focusing on the now. Using your wonderful imagination to allow my words to trigger the creation of different images and feelings going through you. Be creative, let your imagination flow, and if you see things differently than the way I describe them, doesn't matter, just go with the flow. This experience is a unique experience. So see yourself surrounded with a beautiful white light all around you, as if it was a bubble of light. It is probably just a few centimeters above your skin, following the contour of your body, and you see it and sense it in your own way. You sense that there's something around you and it feels warm, it feels comfortable, you feel at ease, you feel safe, you feel supported. This is your own energy field with you all the time. Now you see yourself in some kind of healing room. The walls are white, the ceiling and the floor are white, and at the same time a white, pure white light is actually filling the space completely. You're dressed in white. The temperature is warm. And right in front of you, you see a crystal bed. It's a healing bed. It could look like a massage table, but actually the shape is a little bit more organic, more fluid, has more curves, and it's all made out of pure crystal. It almost feels alive, almost feels activated, or it almost feels as if an energy was going through, but it's imperceptible. It's just a notion that it is alive. You're invited to go and lie down on this healing crystal bed. You are extremely surprised to find that it is soft and comfortable, warm, just the perfect temperature. You don't need to cover yourself as you feel light, almost as if you are floating into space. And you feel that there are 3 gentle beings or persons or healers in the room. And now that you are comfortably lying down on this crystal bed, they are ready to start the process. So 2 of them are by your head and probably won't move for a while the 3rd person is moving from your chest down to your feet and will eventually do some different movements, applying different processes or protocols, healing energy protocols. They're asking you if you're ready, and you and I know that you are ready. So let's count from 3 to 1. At 1, you will hear different sounds. You will feel different sensations. You will see different colors around you in your mind's eye, entering different parts of your body or actually circulating within your body. Either options are fine and welcome, or they might actually all happen at once. Either way, let your imagination have fun with the experience. Let the sound guide you into a different pulsation, a different flow, a different healing vibration, a different sensation, leading you from one end to the other. So let's do this together. 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in through the nose and let go. Allow inner calm, inner peace, serenity to flow within you, as most of the healing regeneration has taken place. It was quick, maybe sometimes intense, but either way, you felt rejuvenated. Something has happened, and again, you may be fully aware of it as it happened. You may be fully aware of it now. You may be recognizing that something happened in a few hours from now. Either way, just know that the healers working around you while you are there, comfortably lying down on this wonderful crystal bed, helped you to clear what needed to go. You can trust the process. There was no need to identify what it was. It is just gone. Now, take a deep breath in and as the three beings are looking at you with a big smile on their faces, telling you through their gaze that the regeneration process is complete. I thank you for your openness, your receptivity, and your participation. In return, they can read that you have received and integrated the change, and they can now return to where they're coming from as you are ready to stand up in your vision from your crystal bed, looking around again for one last time at this wonderful healing room. White ceiling, white floor, white walls, crystal bed. Bringing your hands to your heart, thanking the energy in the room, the energy which came in to do this wonderful healing work for you. You feel rejuvenated, reactivated. You feel updated. You feel refreshed, and you're so grateful. Again, take a deep breath in through the nose and let go. And when you're ready, you can physically open your eyes. Take a few seconds to look around. Feel the energy flowing back to its regular rate. And take the time to let this activation fully integrate every cell, every organ, every thoughts within you, allowing you to see things with a broader perspective. I wish you a great day.